Well, hi there, this is Bob Kramer. Welcome back to Kramer's Garage. So, last fall, in November, I got this 77 Goldwing all put together. And I got it out for a test drive on November 24th. And I had some problems with it, electrical problems, which were outlined in episode 8 of the basket case project videos. Anyway, if you refer back to that, you can see what all the problems were. There was electrical gremlins. So I wired this using the X3 system from NWT Cycletronic. And it features a computerized hub that belongs right there. As you can see, it's not there. So I've had a couple of conversations with the founder of NWT, and they decided to warranty the board. So here's the board over here on my workbench. So as you can see, there's a burnt spot on the board. There's a component on there that burned up. They are claiming that it burned up because the unit was searching for a ground. So if there's any electrical engineers out there, you can tell me. If you look at episode 7, you can see exactly how I wired this bike. But anyway, I had that X3 unit grounded to this aluminum plate. Okay, this is what I used for my mounting panel to mount all the electronics. So anyway, it was grounded on this aluminum plate. The aluminum plate is grounded here with a 12 gauge wire that goes right to the battery. Okay. And also this bolt goes through the aluminum plate into the steel of the shelter support. Well, he's contending that the aluminum is not a good enough conductor to ground that X3 unit. So anyway, when I get the new one, I have to ground it to the frame. I think I'm gonna ground it here on this bolt. That's bolted directly into the frame. So no question that that's going to be a good ground. So, and the wire is long enough to go there. Let's see, yeah, I think that's probably my best bet is right there, because he's telling me he wants it grounded directly to the frame of the motorcycle. So this bolt is bolted directly to the frame. Now, I'm quite sure that the aluminum plate also provided a very good ground. But anyway, leave me some comments if you're an electrical engineer or a really sharp guy with electronics. Let me know what you think. Do you feel like inadequate grounding was the cause of my problem? Or is there something else going on here? And if you go back to my videos, go on my channel and look for episode 7 of the GL1000 BASKET CASE REBUILD, and you can see exactly how I wired this bike. I'll follow up on this when I get the new circuit board back from NWT, and we'll see how everything works. Thanks for watching.